data sufficiency traps. These where you will lose a mistake and you will lose marks which you can get it very easily. When you are first you will start with statement 1 alone. When statement 1, when you are solving statement 2 information, you should not take it into consideration. That means solve the question by using statements independently. Independently solve each statement. Each statement solve it independently. When you are solving statement 1, statement 2 does not exist. When you are solving statement 2, statement 1 does not exist. If you are getting greater than one answer or if you are getting no answer, then you will combine both the statements. Combine both the statements. Again and again I will repeat it. Please do not combine both the statements initially and try to answer the question. That is a mistake. Then try to do cannot be determined. This is a flow chart. You have to follow this flow chart. This is step number 1. This is step number 2 and it is step number 3. You cannot solve the question by using step number 2 without using step number 1. Without using step number 1. You should always get an answer, either a unique yes or unique no. If the question is starting with is or does. Is x greater than 0? You are not supposed to find the value of x. You are supposed to tell whether x is greater than 0 or x is not greater than 0. You should always get a unique answer. Again and again I am explaining so that in the class you will not get again and again the same doubt. There is no need to calculate the answer in most of the cases. Avoid calculation unless and until the value of the variable is asked. In what related questions? In what related questions? If the question is starting with what? If two statements are not independently sufficient but on combining, it results in a common unique value. Then the common unique value will be the answer. Right? I hope it is clear, right? Two statements given in the question should never contradict with each other. Two statements should never contradict with each other. Two statements should never contradict with each other. Question number 1. What is the, yesterday one student messaged me, sir, can you please repeat this question? What is the value of x? What is the value of x? First one, x cube is a 2-digit positive odd integer. X cube is a 2-digit positive odd integer. Statement 2, x power 4 is a 2-digit positive odd integer. It's a very good question, sir. X power 4 is a 2-digit positive odd integer. One student asked me to repeat it, so I will start with the basic foundation question. What is the value of x? X cube is a 2-digit positive odd integer. X power 4 is a 2-digit positive odd integer. Now see, first we will start with statement 1 alone. X cube is a 2-digit positive odd integer. X cube, not x. X cube is a 2-digit positive odd integer. So x will become 11 power 1 by 3. 11 power 1 by 3 power 3 is 11. 13 power 1 by 3. 15 power 1 by 3. And so on up to 99 power 1 by 3. For x cube to be a 2-digit positive odd integer, for x cube to be a 2-digit positive odd integer, it is not mandatory that x should be an integer. X can take any of the two these values from 11 to 99. Why I took from 11 to 99? Because it is a 2-digit positive odd integer. So statement 1 is giving me more than one answer. So I will go to statement 2. Statement 1 alone, if it is giving you more than one answer or no answer, go to statement 2. X power 4 is a 2-digit positive odd integer. So x will become 11 power 1 by 4, 13 power 1 by 4, and so on up to 99 power 1 by 4. Because power 4 is there, power 4 1 by 4 will get cancelled. Again it is getting more than one answer. If it is getting more than one answer, then if I combine x cube is a 2-digit positive odd integer and x power 4 is a 2-digit positive odd integer, the value of x is only one value, x is 3, which is nothing but 3 cube, which is 27. So that means x one value which is common is 27 power 1 by 3 or 81 power 1 by 4. Both will result in, here I will get 27 power 1 by 3. Here I will get 81 power 1 by 4. Both will result in one value and the value of x is 3. And the value of x is nothing but 3. The value of x is nothing but 3. So statement 1 alone is giving you more than one answer. Statement 2 is giving you more than one answer. So answer is nothing but statement 1 plus 2 together. Introductory question before we discuss very good quality questions today. Answer for this question is statement 1 plus 2 together. I hope it is clear. Yesterday one student asked me, sir, please repeat the question for you beta. So the learning from this question is, if x cube is a 2-digit positive odd integer, if x cube is a 2-digit positive odd integer, does not mean that x should be an integer. X can take third also. X can take third also. So answer for this question is statement 1 plus 2 together. Statement 1 plus 2 together. First question, I hope it is clear, right? Second question. Question number 2. We'll keep solving good quality questions. State question 2. If r plus s is greater than 2t, is r greater than t? Is r greater than t? Options. T is greater than s. Second option. R is greater than s. R is greater than s. Again we will read the question. If r plus s is greater than 2t, if this condition is true, and if I also take statement 1, is r greater than 2. First we will use statement 1 alone. If I use statement 1 alone, r plus s is greater than 2t. Statement 1 alone is t is greater than s. So if I add both of them, s's cancel. R plus t is greater than 2t. R is greater than t. What is the question that he has asked? R is greater than t. That means statement 1 alone is satisfying the question. Answer is yes. R is greater than t. Suppose if I take statement 2 alone, statement 2 alone, R plus s is greater than 2t. Statement 2, R is greater than s. Again ss will get cancelled. 2r is greater than 2t. That means r is greater than t. If r is greater than t, what is the question that he has asked? R is greater than t. Yes. So statement 2 alone, first one also it is giving you yes, second one also it is giving you yes. Answer for this question is each statement alone is enough. Each statement alone is enough. Each statement alone is enough to solve this answer. Answer is each statement alone is enough. Each statement alone is enough to solve this question. I hope it is clear, right, sir?